It's happening, slowly, silently, but with growing intensity. Climate change, a threat so vast, so all-encompassing it can be hard to grasp. Like a thief in the night, it creeps upon us, leaving destruction in its wake. We see the warning signs: melting glaciers, rising sea levels, extreme weather events. The planet is talking. Are we listening? The Earth's climate is a delicate balance. For millennia, this balance has nurtured life. Now that balance is shifting, disrupted by human activity. We have become architects of our own destruction, releasing harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Our dependence on fossil fuels, our insatiable appetite for energy, is warming the planet. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting every corner of the globe. From the icy poles to the lush rainforests, from bustling cities to remote villages, climate change is leaving its mark. No one is immune. We are all living witnesses to this unfolding crisis, a crisis that threatens our very existence. The science is clear. Human activities are the dominant cause of global warming. Since the Industrial Revolution, we've been pumping carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere at an alarming rate. Imagine the Earth wrapped in a blanket, trapping heat from the sun. That's what greenhouse gases do. Our reliance on fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas for energy is the primary culprit. Burning these fuels releases carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas, into the air. Deforestation exacerbates the problem. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, acting as natural carbon sinks. But as we cut down forests, we release that stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Agriculture, too, plays a role. Livestock, particularly cattle, produce methane, another potent greenhouse gas. And our agricultural practices often involve the use of fertilizers that release nitrous oxide, yet another greenhouse gas. The cumulative effect of these actions is undeniable. We are altering the composition of our atmosphere, trapping more heat and warming the planet. The impacts of climate change are already being felt worldwide, and they are as diverse as the planet itself. Rising temperatures are causing glaciers and ice caps to melt at an unprecedented rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal communities face an existential threat as the ocean encroaches on their homes and livelihoods. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. Heat waves are scorching the land, sparking wildfires that rage across continents. Hurricanes fueled by warmer ocean waters are becoming more intense, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Floods are inundating communities, displacing millions and causing widespread damage. Droughts are becoming more prolonged and severe, turning once fertile lands into parched wastelands. Farmers struggle to grow crops, leading to food shortages and economic instability. The delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted, threatening biodiversity and the intricate web of life on Earth. Section 4. Echoes of a Planet in Distress. The human toll of climate change is a story of displacement, loss, and struggle. In the Arctic, indigenous communities watch as their way of life, intrinsically linked to the ice, melts away. In low-lying island nations, entire populations face the prospect of relocation as their homelands disappear beneath the waves. Farmers in drought-stricken regions bear witness to their crops withering and dying, their livelihoods destroyed by a changing climate. Coastal communities grapple with the aftermath of increasingly powerful storms, their homes and businesses reduced to rubble. The stories of those on the front lines of climate change are a stark reminder of the human cost of inaction. These are not isolated incidents. They are part of a larger pattern, a pattern of increasing frequency, intensity, and devastation. As our planet warms, these impacts will only worsen, pushing millions more into poverty, displacement, and vulnerability. Our call to action. The urgency of the climate crisis cannot be overstated. We are at a crossroads. The choices we make today will determine the fate of generations to come. We can continue down our current path or choose a different one, a path of bold action and innovation. We have the tools to build a sustainable future. The time for action is now.